back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to teach you how to get this super beautiful look. It is a super creative look in which I've played around with glitter, with eyeliner style. Like, this is a very beautiful Arabian eyeliner that I have applied, and if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep on watching. And I have loaded like this video, like I've done my makeup along with talking to you guys, so I think so it's gonna be a bit long, so I'm sorry for that, but there was a lot of information that I had to give. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Make sure you like this video, do subscribe to my channel if you want more videos and more looks like these, and if you like this look, do comment down below, share it, and yeah, I'm done. Let's go. Okay, so guys, let's start. The look that a lot of people requested was this right here on the screen, as well as this that you see. And because when you see these two looks, like, this was a look I wore on someone's birthday, and this was the look I wore on my own birthday. So the technique to get these looks is the same. It's just that I played around with different colors. Like, you could go with different colors like orange, you could use red, or even green looks beautiful that way. I'm talking about a very beautiful neonish green, or even a dark Hulk green looks beautiful, a turquoise blue and a dark blue. So today, as I'm wearing dark blue, I am gonna go with a dark blue makeup look. Yeah. Now for this entire look, I am going to be using the Cuffs and Lashes X-Size Styles palette, and this is a limited edition palette and it's really awesome, so please do get your hands on it before it goes out of stocks. I am going to start by applying an eye base on my eyes. I get an even base so that my eyeshadow will pop. My eyes are nicely prepped up, and now my skin just looks horrible. Now, taking a little more pointy brush, I am going to dip into, I think so I'm just gonna take this fluffy brush that I took, and then taking this blue shade right here. Now taking the pointy brush, I am going to dip into the darkest blue of the palette, and it'll just cover 1/3 of my eye, you guys. Like, the outer third of my eyes will be covered with this shade. Then taking the same brush and the same shade, I am going to apply it in the inner third of my eyes as well. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Sugar foundation again, a little bit of it on my fingers, take a little bit of it on my fingers, look into the mirror and apply it, like dab it right in the center, because this is where I'm gonna place the glitter, right? Actually, I'm going to place the glitter almost all over my eyelid. Okay, you guys, I cleaned all of the mess that was there on my eyes, and I also did apply a concealer because the glitter had almost gone up to my brow bone, and which looked messy, and I obviously did not want that. So I cleaned my face and my eyebrows, and I'll be doing my eyebrows towards the end, so stay tuned. And for now, let's start with the base. Alright, for the base makeup, I have the Pond's Super Light Gel Moisturizer. It's one of my all-time favorites, and yeah. Alright, before doing any of my base, I always love to color correct. Now, to cover up the corrector, I am going to be using a concealer. My entire face is covered so beautifully, and another reason I do this is because you save a lot of your product by doing this thing. Like, for foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty 4 Filter foundation. This is a very thick and a very full coverage foundation. So all I do is take 1 pump of it and mix it with strobe cream and some facial oil, so that I get that beautiful glowing goddess look. Okay, now taking a slightly damp beauty blender, I am going to blend it all in, but before that, I am also going to be using a brush. I'll use the brush to blend it. Okay, So for highlighting and adding a lot of dimension to my face, because my face looks really flat because everything is just even and there's no dimension. So just to get that dimension back, I'm going to highlight my face, and for that I am going to be using a lighter shade of concealer as well as a lighter foundation. Make sure that the concealer and the foundation that you use aren't too light, otherwise it will lead to ashiness under your eyes, which just does not look as good. For contouring, I am going to be using my absolute favorite K-Beauty's contour stick in the shade Caramel Focus. And now for blush, I am going to be using the Sugar's blush stick in the shade 03 Mauve Marble. I am going to bake and I'm going to set the creams with their respective powders. Done with my base, I am going to complete and finish off my eye makeup. I'll take the shade First Dawn from the Cuts and Lashes palette again, and I'm going to take it on a stamping brush, angled brush actually, and taking that, I'll just dust off the excess because I really don't want it to fall on my base and destroy it. Now I'm going to be doing the kajal and eyeliner, and for kajal I'll use the Sugar's Code of Honor kajal. This is a beautiful kajal and I really love it. Alright, so just extending it a little bit. I'm going to bolden my kajal a little bit and I'll just apply it on a little bit lower. I'm going to take a white face paint because I don't have a white eyeliner or anything like that. Like, I do have a white kajal, but I don't think so it will be enough. So I'm going to take nail art brush as well as, and I'll just dip it into the white paint and I'm going to draw a line over it. And I think so I'll just highlight my brow bone and my inner corners and everything, but before that I'll just apply my mascara. See that? So I don't think so you guys have seen me do my eyebrows thousands of times, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows off camera, apply some falsies and be back. Okay you guys, I am back. I did my lashes as well as my eyebrows and you can see it made a hell lot of difference to the makeup look. So now I'll just apply a little bit of setting spray and do my highlighter. You see that? It'll just help mesh my makeup all in place. Okay, now that my setting spray is still damp, I'll take this brush and I'm going to dip it into my highlighter and glow. And the highlighter that I'm using is the Becca's highlighter. It's it's in the shade Moonstone. I couldn't get my hands on Champagne Pop, although I would have loved to try out that product. And I must say that this product is lovely, and I'm very sad that Becca is closing. So guys, stock up on Becca, please. Okay, so I'm done with this look, as you can see, and I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. Turn that black from blue, you guys. Do subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications, and so that you're the first one to watch my videos. And yeah, do let me know in the comment section how you like this look and what other things you'd like to see. Now I think so it's time for me to take your leave. Bye guys!